Looking for something to eat? You might try chips or candy, or you could try munching on some stainless steel. Your stomach acid is the main component that allows you to digest a wide variety of foods. It contains hydrochloric acid that has a pH of 2 to 3. This acid is so strong that your stomach lining has to secrete a bicarbonate solution in order to protect itself, and even then, your stomach lining gets replaced every 4 days. Since your stomach acid is such a strong acid, it could theoretically digest stainless steel over a period of time. I probably wouldn't recommend it though, but it's nice to know that your stomachs have the power. And that was your Friday Fact. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. You can check out last week's video here, and be sure to subscribe to our channel here and our main channel here.